Lights, camera,
I don't want to take it.
Aww. Say cheese, everyone.
Oh, yeah. Because we're special.
Yes. Meg's driving. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Yeah.
Meg's
What have you
amazing
named your
driving
camera?
skills.
I haven't named my camera. Do you want to give my camera a name?
Yes, I do.
What are you going to call it?
Give me a minute. Hang on.
I was
will
thinking
come up with
Smarties or Jammy Dodger.
No.
Oh, apparently not.
No, you can't call your
No, it's got to be an epic name, like.
Can't name it because the fish is called Gregory.
We have a fish together, okay?
No, it's joint custody.
Yeah.
We're trying to do you first.
In which case,
That did cross my mind, but I was too mature. At least it's coming across your mind now.
Yeah, it's
I know,
not just
really.
completely blank.
We've made an influence on Lucy.
But she's still being mature, which is good.
Yes.
Unlike us, who will be childish forever.
Yes. I want to be able to drive.
I'm going to drive before you.
Yeah, shut up. Everyone here is going to drive before.
Well, everyone here except for you is going to drive before me, so I get to do it on somebody. Oh.
I love how he's like,
Meg, you're fine. Keep going.
I went to 40 because it's so tempting on this road.
It's fine. Everyone else goes to 40.
Yeah,
I
and then
know, but-
as soon as you see the speed camera,
Yeah, exactly. I don't know whether
We already agreed there wasn't one along this road.
There might be, you never know.
There's not.
maybe,
was
but
quite
maybe
bad.
they'll give you like a merit or something for like having dangerous driving skills. But because it's skills.
yeah.
Skills.
They'd give you-
I didn't know where she lived and the driver didn't know where she lived. I was like, what the fuck? How can you not know where somebody lives and you're just supposed to be driving to their house?
Yeah, I had to direct them to Laura's house.
Yeah, I had to direct them to Lucy's and in the end I had to call Lucy because I had no clue. Yeah. It's the big red car, that's why I was spotted. Whoa! Frickin' hell, Meg!
Braking skills.
I am never driving in this car again. Oh, bye. But yeah. Bye. Lucy, you should say bye to the camera.
What? See ya.
You live, I need to know.
That's right, you're going left.
Paradox.
Exactly.
World implodes.
Right, so I'm going right, yes? No, that's right, you're going left.
Wait. No, wait.
Exactly. Exactly. It made sense to me because I came up with it. Do you get it yet?
Yes.
Okay, good. You don't get it, do you? No. Position it and I'm
I'm
going to be in
redoing my room right now. So revising for my exams, I'm writing with pen all over my wall because I get to paint my walls so much.
That's
That is
cool.
a good idea.
I should be doing that because I'm painting my room.
I've already painted my room. Bless you. Oh, bless you.
Oh,
The
you had to
cutest sneeze. Oh God, Alex's house. Remember when we saw his mum?
Oh, yes.
And she was just leaning.
Well, we were walking up to their house, not on their house. We literally have to go past. And their garage door opened,
And the
we were like,
lights went on, and we were
and
like,
there
oh.
was the
Where
silhouette
am I going?
left.
Yeah, at the end of this road,
Turn
go
right
right.
Go right here.
Yeah.
And the garage door opened, and all you could see was the silhouette of his mum just standing. Everybody knows.
A one, two, three, four.
Aww.
I started it, but then I kind of forgot what we were doing. Okay, people, I'm going to say bye-bye now, because otherwise it might be a bit scary.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Last 300 yards stopped off due to stalkers.
Bye.
Risk of stalkers.
Afro, circus, afro, circus, afro, circus, poke it up, afro.